Alright guys, welcome back to Blaze in the Sky, y'all. Johnny Blaze here. Looks like I'll be taking the Talaria XXX to work today. Yay for me! Oh, the front brake's starting to squeal already. Just turn the regen up, I guess. So, what I want to talk about today, guys, is there's a few new e-bikes out now, but for a while I've had my mind set on getting the Eride Pro SS. Oh my gosh, brakes. Okay, yeah, I was planning on getting the Eride Pro SS, but then the Talaria MX-5 came out. And I was like, what the heck? More bike for less money than the Eride Pro SS? Why not? Well, now there's an Altus Sigma out. And it's pretty much the best thing out there right now for the money. And the Altus Sigma is only $5,500. It's a 98 volt. And that's insane. Yeah, so what do y'all think? Is the Altus Sigma too much bike for this small town? For Lawton? It can go up to 75 miles an hour, y'all. That's highway speeds. It's a 20 kilowatt motor versus everything else at 13 and a half kilowatt, 12 kilowatt, whatever. So it's the best bang for your buck right now. Man, I think it's something that I might want or I need. I want to be able to hit the highway. I want to go fast. Y'all see me riding wheelies all the time and stuff like that, acting the fool. Why don't I do it on this bike? Well, reason number one is it's not my bike. This is my wife's bike. I have the privilege of riding this. So, really, I don't want to do anything to anyone's bike. If I rode anyone else's bike, I was just like, I'll just keep it chill, you know. I mean, don't mean I can't. What do y'all feel about giveaways, huh? Well, we don't have too many subscribers out yet, so it's an easy chance to win here. But I don't know. I like free stuff. If it's free, it's for me, right? When did this thing stop recording on me, y'all? I hate it. I hate it when it does this. I hate it when the camera dies on me. When did I stop talking? Did I start talking about giveaway yet? How do y'all feel about giveaways? Shit, damn it. I just don't know what to give away yet. We'll start off with something small. We don't have much. How about a helmet, y'all? Like, we have a bunch of helmets laying around, and y'all see me not wearing my helmet sometimes. That's because I don't know, I just roll with it on the smaller bikes. Like, I've been in 3 motorcycle crashes before, and everything just seemed to slow down for me while I'm flying through the air. I feel like I'm a cat. I can just get up and roll around and just be all right. But I do wear a helmet on the bigger bikes like this one. And motorcycles, sport bikes and stuff like that, I would wear a helmet always. If this was my bike, oh yeah, y'all would see me up and down this street riding wheelies. But yeah, let me know what y'all think. Should I get the Talaria MX-5 or the Altus Sigma? Is the Altus Sigma too much for Lawton? You know, 72 volt versus 98, 96, whatever. It's kind of chilly today, guys. Alright, green arrow, here we go. Got the regen all the way up. People don't know what they're looking at when they look at this bike. They're like, what the hell? It doesn't make any sounds. And that's cool. I love it. I love it. I'm a ninja on this bike. It's like, it's quieter than my bike, you know. My bike squeals and I'm hitting the brakes all the time. Silent killer. All right, pulling up to work, guys. Here we are. I'm at work. What up? All right. I'm gone for the day. All right, y'all. I'm off work. Headed home. Yay. Light day today. Light day. Didn't make it. Didn't make the light, y'all. You know, when I get off work, there's really not a whole lot I want to talk about except for the fact that I just want to get home and chill. I don't know about y'all, but I really don't like spending a lot of time away from home, away from family. Life is short. Gotta spend every minute with them. Gotta spend every minute with them. Here we go. Okay, so like this giveaway, all right? How do you enter this giveaway? How do you enter our giveaway? As you all may know already, this particular Insta360 Ace Pro camera of ours keeps glitching out on us and randomly stops recording. I didn't realize it had stopped recording until I got home. Before I got home, I was explaining the details on how to enter our giveaway. Anyways, I'm going to be giving away my half-shell DOT approved motorcycle helmet, size large. I've literally worn it once, so it's like in super new condition still. So if y'all need a helmet or know anyone that should have one, please enter the giveaway and share this video. It's super simple for y'all to enter. All you have to do is subscribe and comment below. Once we have reached 500 subscribers, we'll randomly choose a winner.